Panama City, Ciudad de Panama in Spanish, is the capital and the largest city of Panama. It has an urban population of more than 880,000, with over 1.5 million in its metropolitan area. The city is located at the Pacific entrance of the Panama Canal, in the province of Panama. The city is the political and administrative center of the country, as well as a hub for banking and commerce. Stay tuned to find more interesting things about the history of Panama City and what you should visit if you come here. But first, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. The city of Panama was founded on the 15th of August 1519 by Spanish conquistador Pedro Arias Davila. The city was the starting point for expeditions that conquered the Inca Empire in Peru. On the 28th of January 1671, the original city was destroyed by a fire when Henry Morgan sacked and set fire to it. The city was formally re-established 2 years later on the 21st of January 1673 on a peninsula located 8 kilometers from the original settlement. The site of the previously devastated city is still in ruins and is now a popular tourist attraction. The Panama Canal Railway was opened in 1855, with the traffic greatly increasing the prosperity of the city during that period. After declaring independence from Colombia in 1903, the United States was provided with a 10-mile wide strip of land for the future canal. Completed in 1914, the Panama Canal was of great benefit to the infrastructure and economy. In the late 1970s and 1980s, the city of Panama became an international banking center. In 1999, the United States officially transferred control of the Panama Canal Zone to Panama, which remains in control today. Panama City has a tropical savanna climate. The wet season spans from May to December, and the dry season spans from January through April. Temperatures remain constant throughout the year, averaging around 27 degrees Celsius. Panama City is one of the most cosmopolitan capitals in Central America. There are plenty of fun and interesting things to do in Panama City, so we encourage you to spend a few days here. It's much more than a travel hub for the region. Panamá Viejo, Old Panama, contains the remaining ruins of the first Spanish city on the Pacific coast of the Americas. Founded on the 15th of August 1519, the city was the starting point of the expeditions that conquered the Inca Empire in Peru. In 1671, the pirate Henry Morgan sacked the city with 1,400 men. Casco Viejo, also known as Casco Antiguo or San Felipe, is the historic district of Panama City. Completed and settled in 1673, it was built following the near total destruction of the original Panama City, Panamá Viejo, in 1671, when the latter was attacked by pirates. It was designated a World Heritage Site in 1997. The monumental complex of Las Bóvedas is the name to the set of works that form the walls that surround the Plaza de Francia in Panama City. The monumental complex consists of 7 vaulted spaces that made up the defensive system of the city. Here are many vendors. These places offer beautiful views of the ocean and of downtown Panama City. F&F Tower, previously called Revolution Tower, is an office skyscraper located in the financial sector of Panama City, built in 2011. The tower dramatically twists about 360 degrees and has become an iconic presence in the Panama City skyline. With its height of 236 meters, it is the 9th highest building in Panama and the 14th in Latin America. Built between 1688 and 1796, the Panama Cathedral is a magnificent example of the religious colonial architecture of Panama. The Panama Cathedral was left to fall into ruin along with the rest of the Casco Viejo before it was renovated and finally reconsecrated by Pope Francis in 2019. Another beautiful building is that of the National Theater of Panama, located next to the Church of San Francisco and Plaza Bolivar. You should also visit the Heron's Palace, also known as Palacio de las Garzas, the official name of the presidential palace, named for the numerous herons that inhabit the building. It was built in 1673, but inaugurated only in 1922. The Salón Amarillo, Yellow Room, is the most important room where most formal events are held. In Panama City is the Biomuseo, the world's first biodiversity museum completed in 2014. There are 8 galleries exploring the biological history of Panama, including its emergence from the sea 3 million years ago, connecting North and South America, and the impact of humankind on the environment. Another museum you should visit here is the Panama Canal Museum. Established in 1997, the museum is devoted to the history of the construction of the Panama Canal in its various stages, including the first French construction attempt, the later construction by the United States, and the eventual transfer to Panamanian control. Current building dates from 1874 and served originally as the headquarters of both the French and US companies engaged in the construction of the canal. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you know other interesting places in Panama City that I forgot to mention, please write about them in a comment below. And remember that you can help our channel to grow by just pressing the like button and by sharing this video with your friends.